Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really quick way that you can tell if you are double jointed or not. Alright, so this is just a trick that I've known how to do for a lot of years, and I thought I'd show you guys today. Forewarning, for some of you this may look kind of gross, but it's something I'm going to do with my hand. For some reason I can do this with one hand and I can't do it with the other one, but I already know for a fact that I am double jointed. Anyway, I'm going to show you. So as you can see, my hand is normal right now, and I'm going to bend my fingers. But I'm going to bend them without bending this part of my knuckle in the slightest. So as you can see, it looks kind of freaky. And my knuckles are actually now indents. Now don't ask me how I can do this, because really, I don't know, aside from the fact that I'm double jointed. If you can do this, you're probably double jointed. If you can't, then you're probably not. I know I've showed this to a lot of people over the years, and a lot of people are like, how in the heck do you do that? Well, I don't know. I just can. And you see it goes like that on that hand. With those three fingers. Now I'll show you what happens with my other hand. My other hand, I can do those two fingers, and I can't do all three. I'm not really sure why. Anyway, so that's a quick way that you can tell if you're double jointed or not.